It is beautiful out here. Nice and cool. Probably, I would say 50 degrees. We're just easing along, heading to Floyd's Island. Just left Coffee Bay. It's gonna get a nice little paddle to get there. Probably altogether gonna be 9 miles, I'm guessing. I'll show video of once we get off the canal. We got, what, 3.5, 4 miles left before we get off this canal. And then the work starts. Go out across the prairie, show video of that. And the trail going in to Floyd's Island really gets tight. You got a lot of places where you'll have to excuse me, I'm one-handed paddling while I'm doing this. There's gonna be a lot of places where it gets tight, and there's trees just below the surface, so we'll have to seesaw the canoes across. I will not be filming while I'm seesawing the canoe. Yeah, that's a good way to lose my new camera or phone. Anyway, had a good breakfast today. Bacon, eggs, grits. That's right, we in the South. Grits, staple of our life. Last night I cooked these guys spaghetti. Let me turn around, show these yahoos. There's my flotilla. All right, that's not working. All right, more videos to come. This is actually over near Canal Run. We decided to stretch our legs, take a break. Oh my God, that's horrible sounding. Turk back there, already asleep. This area that we're on right now, we're actually off of the canal. We're no longer on the actual canal. This is the East Fork of the Suwannee River. We're going back towards the canal so we can head out to Floyd's Island. The place we just stopped and had lunch at is going to be our shelter for tomorrow night. And after tomorrow night, 10-mile paddle back to the park. Oh, crap. Well, crap. All right, enough of that. All right, this is the trail going into Floyd's Island. Got my buddy up ahead of me. Kind of hard to do this and paddle one-handed. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just paddling and filming. Whoever's watching this on video, I'm probably making them sick with all my bouncing up and down. She is like right close to my hammock. She don't give a rat's booty that we're here. Hmm?
I'm such a retard.
Oh yeah.
My lighter's right behind you. I've been looking for it. Guess the new cameras we have are really good cameras. Yeah, fancy. Snapchat filters and put makeup on your dog ears. I don't need filters. I got daughters for that. 4 or 5 years ago, we just got into the Mustang thing, the wild horses, and one got loose. So I was chasing a horse down Browntown Road, down the paved road. I didn't even throw my shoes on. And I finally get down there and get my hands on this horse, and somebody stops, looks at my feet. What's up with your feet? Oh, my daughter did it. Tossing her horse.
What, painted toenails?
Yeah. I wear it like a badge of honor.
Yep.
These are halfway blue, big blue, and they got specks of orange on these.
Get it, Brandon.
Anybody need anything from the boats? No? Cool. Alright, I'll be back.
Yep. Same deer that came, saw me on the trail, looks like. And she's gone. Yep. That was perfect. I started filming right when you did that. Water came out the front. So,
Yeah, this whole water slap full, or the whole front slap full of water.
yep. We started off and almost made it away from shore.
Our team left us
No, we were here. I'm here, man.
15 minutes later.
Yeah, that is hard getting back through that shit.
Took 3 gunshots to the ribs.
Yeah, those trees back there are hard to get over. I was like, yep, slow reaction force coming to help.
Get up closer and take a look at how much is in here.
Oh, I see it. All right, here we go, round 2.
You videoing this?
Yeah, I'm videoing this time.
Like we're sitting more centered.
You good or you need me to push you off?
You're good. I'm just.
Here, I'll get over there and do it. All right, video. Bad spot of the trail. Let's see how they get over it. We have a tree that we're having to fight across. All right, video ending, my turn.
Should be good.
Yep, this old boy here is right off of our shoulder. Just waiting for us to throw something in the water for him. Ain't gonna happen, buddy. We're hungry. No, we're not, but
Guess you like that picture grain bar. And your bread.
coming on back. About 6, 7. About 6.
And he's over there. And I'm like,
Help!
Oh, damn.
I was trying to get myself on shore.
How's that for the, 3 meters for 30 minutes? Tested. It works. Thank you.
And the worst thing is the one who's actually sick is the one who goes neck deep in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a
cold
problem.
swamp water.
How much did you swallow, Tony?
I already could barely breathe, and then that, I was fucking...
Face planted in the water.
Man.
I don't know what would happen if my
Truth
head
be
got-
said, Tony is a spitter, not a swallower.
Yeah. Nope, I didn't swallow any.
Even with a clogged nose. That's talent.
I'm a horrible girlfriend.
Could always have been worse.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Somehow.
We're talking about it, like, what if we tipped over right next to some gators out there in the... Where it's deeper?
He wouldn't have. He'd have been like, oh, man.
I don't know how...
Let me help there, button boat.
Back over...
Yeah, like we was in that channel coming back out.
Oh, trust me, if there was a gator there, y'all would have been back in the boat.
Oh, shit. I don't
You
know.
may not have cared about any of your stuff.
Might have been riding that thing upside down.
They don't want anything to do with us.
Mm-mm.
Except for this one here, he's used to being fed.
Yeah. He wants something to do with us. He wants to be fed.
Yep.
One-eyed gator stays up here, love it.
I hadn't seen him, though.
Well, Matt, can I at least see the footage you got?
Do what?
Can I see the footage you got?
The footage? Yeah.
Is that possible?
Yeah, hold on. I don't think it was but a few seconds because I didn't want you to get upset. So I was like, let me get what I can before Tony blows his top. Freaking goes crazy, swims out to here to me and freaking sinks me.
You watching it now?
See how terrible I look.
No, I'm filming y'all talk about it. Ooh. Not okay with this.
Meanwhile, while you guys were trying to recover your stuff, I was pulling logs out of the water. Trying to clear the path.
It looks like, I guess, when the swamp, when they go cut that stuff, they just don't leave it sitting right here.
Is it passable? Yeah, it's passable.
Yeah.
So it crosses the stream.
So, like that folding saw or that saw you had, there's one of them. It's made by Silky. I forget how long that thing is, but you can take a big tree with it. I mean, it's easily 1.5 2 foot long. That'd be perfect. Get up under the water on that thing.
Yeah.
Take that joker out. Yep, we won't have to deal with you no more. Catch it in the summertime when all that starts getting low. Bring a chainsaw in.
I wish DeWalt batteries were waterproof, but they're not.
Yeah.
With that little DeWalt chainsaw. I think Milwaukee stuff's waterproof.
Is it?
I think so.
Hmm.
I'll have to look it up.
Makita probably would be because they're expensive as crap. And the mosquitoes are coming out. Get
Yep.
away from me. And our buddy's still over there chilling.
Warm tea help you any?
Huh?
That warm tea help you any?
Yeah. You want some?
You got extras?
No, yeah.
I got some chai tea if you wanted some of that. It's pretty good tasting.
Chinese?
Don't forget what that's going to make you when you drink the tea. Might as well wear them, right?
Might as well have them on. Some of that extra water sloshing around in the bottom of the boat.
As it's going down.
I'll either have wet shoes or just wet socks, and I'd rather have the soles.
He's soulless. Ginger?
At any point, did you hear the My Heart Will Go On Titanic song at any point? Did you hear it ringing in your ears?
Yeah, when I was looking at my yellow covered bag in the water, it reminded me of that scene where she dropped the necklace and she just let it float away, and I was like, there it goes.
Nope, I'm not letting this float away.
There it goes.
In 88 years.
Next year we'll have to make mandatory the shark whistles.
I got like 3 of them in my bag.
It was underwater.
Yeah, you might have heard it. Might have been spouting like a whale.
Help.
Yeah, instead of helping, would have heard. Boo, 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 boo.
Brandon, make him turn that damn camera off too.
He couldn't talk trying to find the
Yeah, right.
I really couldn't.
Hey, that water ain't no joke. I mean, end of February, that stuff's cold.
Yep.
Sure is.
That tea warm you up any?
Yeah, a little bit.
Cool.
I hadn't tried any yet.
Still hot?
It's still smoking. I'm about to try it out though. I guess a burnt tongue's better than a cold tongue.
Yeah. Ow!
Don't make me spit this all on my lap.
Your lap will be warm for a little while.
soon as that touched my lip, I had to let that go.
Mm-hmm. Yasher? He sure is. I'll have to ask him when I get we come in tomorrow. Hey, Fred's still around?
See if when it gets dark, we see one eye creeping through.
Mm-hmm.
Pop the LED lights out.
That's how we found him last year. We shined a light at him. You only see one eye light up.
Mm-hmm.
And then we read in the book over here. He's been here for how many years?
A long time.
We've been reporting a one-eyed gator here for a long, long time.
Broke out the trident and he drifted back.
Would that be a quadrant?
Yeah. Matt, we're not actually doing it.
They were about to share a beer brought, like Lady and the Tramp. I had the camera ready, just saying. I'm pretending like I'm checking out the food. But
It was a joke.
no, it wasn't. They're saying that now. He's hungry too. Don't go nowhere.
He's shy.
He is shy. Camera shy.
Rex. There's the Hooters. There was a pair.
Mm-hmm. The lion sleeps tonight in the jungle, the quiet jungle. I love that song. A long time since I've heard it.
He's even two-stepping with it.
Mm-hmm. And we got a fire actually going now. That's a good deal. Before,
He's recovering from house arrest.
yeah.
I still got another like 10 hours of it.
Hello.
Oh yeah, exploding sausage. Scared the bejeez Louise out of me. Plate. One more. Uno más. There we go. All right, I'm gonna have to stop filming. Gotta get back to cooking. We got turp over here. Some tunes. Fire. Clothesline.
Dries and it gets wet. Dries and it gets wet.
Uh-huh. Ah, there we go.
Rain.
Hey, must be the money. Y'all probably can't tell on the video. It is raining right now. Just barely sprinkling. must be the money.
Surprised we haven't heard those owls again.
Oh, no kidding. Yeah, that was perfect right when I started filming.
Got a pet gator now. I figured we have a couple of owls too.
It's funny looking through on the screen of the video I'm doing, and it looks like it's still daylight outside.
Yeah.
Just because of how well these things suck up light. Believe me, guys, it's dark. I mean, it ain't dark. Got a little bit of light in the sky, but it's definitely lantern dark.
I don't know if it fell off the log, but I had this ring propped up on a couple logs.
Yeah, who knows?
Looks like it fell off because how
Maybe.
I had to somewhat level it off and put the stake on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Got a jet turbine going. That's fun. Just come out and listen to tunes, look at the fire. Whoa.
Let's go.
What is this one?
What's that?
What is this one?
1,000-foot crutch.
Huh.
Part that hurts me. That hurts the most. car seat in the middle.
Yep. I'm a low life and in the palm of my hand. I'm a low life. Don't understand. You ever been to Greece?
No.
No. Diego?
I had the opportunity to go to Diego, but it was after I got back from both my 18 and 19 deployment.
Yeah.
And I said, nah, I ain't going.
Yeah, no
I
kidding.
should have. I wish I would have.
Well, I've never been to Diego. Brandon's gone quite a few times. But kind of before I retire, I'm hoping there will be a Diego Garcia trip. But man, I love going to Crete.
Yeah, I imagine.
Island of Crete is awesome. And I love Greek food. I can remember being a little kid middle school, high school, learning mythology, and literature or whatever.
Yeah.
And I always was like, one day I'm going to Greece. And I'd see movies, people in Greece. I'm just like, that place looks awesome. You know what? It is.
That's cool. I know I have to go to Italy at some point. My wife, her grandma is 100% Italian.
Mm-hmm.
So her mom's 100% Italian. She's the only one that's really a mutt.
Yeah. Yeah, freaking, my daughter actually this summer is going to go to Ireland. I told her, I said, the only thing you better come back with is an Irish accent.
Oh, I loved it in Ireland.
I've never been to the home country.
I was there. We flew into Ireland, and we had issues with landing gear, so
Crap.
we were there. It took them longer than 48 hours to fix it, so they
Oh, nice.
they bussed us to the Shannon Hotel, and we were basically on house arrest there.
Oh, they wouldn't let you go out?
Well, we weren't processed in the country, so
No.
we had to stay at the Shannon Hotel. But it was still beautiful being bussed out there, and
Yep.
coming from Afghanistan to there is like
Night and
brown
day.
and dead and desert, and
Yep.
then all of a sudden green popping everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's culture shock. It was nice.
And flushing toilets. Well, no, Air Force, you may have had flushing toilets.
was
I did not.
intense, too.
I had burn pits and 50-gallon drums.
It wasn't quite that bad, but a couple sites I went to had burn pits like that. But
Yep.
we had a lot of tents and portable restrooms
Yeah.
that everybody used.
Yeah, man. Heck yeah.
It was definitely an upgrade from what you just described.
We since first Gulf War was like, and it wasn't an extended war. We had no, command or facility. Well, there was one facility in somewhere back in Saudi. So we were, I think, an hour and a half or 2 hours away from it, and there was times where they actually had just so we could get baths or showers, because we'd been freaking washing out of a wash tub for months on end, doing, as they call it, prostitute bath. Don't want to say it, on my video, what I really call it, but
Right.
they actually had built a small city kind of thing, plywood city, and one of the things they had was this is after the war technically was over. They had showers for us, and God, that water was cold, but we did not care. We were getting clean, soaping up. Actually could go use a toilet that flushed. Which that's something that in Greece, or I don't know if in Greece proper, probably the same, but in Crete, you ever heard about the bathrooms there? So if you have to go number 2, you don't flush the toilet paper. There's a trash can right next to the commode,
Okay.
and that's where your used toilet paper goes, because their plumbing system is so antiquated and so small that if you start flushing toilet paper down it, it's like flushing paper towels down a regular. It'll plug it up in a heartbeat.
Gotcha.
Yep. That's a kind of culture shock.
Yeah, I went through Kabul. Had to do a small stint in Kabul, and the air quality was so bad, and the civilians there, it was so overpopulated that they would toss, like, kind of like old medieval days where they tossed
Yep.
their water out in the street and everything,
Yep.
all their wastewater. Yeah, it was like that.
Yep. A lot of the I've heard a lot, well, even in Iraq, same, just in the streets. Sewage and it's funny, is like Europe is a, like us, a first world country or countries, but they have some weird things, freaking some places men and women go to the same bathroom, and a lot of times your urinals aren't really a urinal, it's a trough.
Yeah.
Guys just come up to and pee in.
Where at did you hit the Rhine River when you hit Germany?
Where at on the Rhine River?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've only gone as far as Heidelberg Castle.
Okay. We
I'm not sure how far the Rhine River actually goes.
it goes quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
We hit the train. We bought a pass. It was a little pricey, but it allowed us to get on and off as we wanted that day.
Mm-hmm.
And so
Oh boy, time to break down camp.
Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Throw the deuces anytime I ride by. I know you wonder why I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down.
Yeah, that don't work.
Meet me in the club, it's going down.
5 more years.
Right? Bud. And here we are, our last lunch.
It'd be great if you could word that different, because I hope to have one tomorrow. But I'm not gonna allow tomorrow to have lunch.
My bad. Our last lunch of this trip. How about that? That worked better? Mm-hmm. You like that better? Okay. Where's our little bird friend?